how to change primary color in Session application. If you'd like to personalize the look of Session, you can change the app's appearance by selecting a different theme or accent color. So in that case, first of all, launch open the Session app on your device and make sure you're inside this chat page. From here, go to your profile icon at the top left and tap on it. Now click on Appearance from the bottom. Inside Appearance, look for this Color Palettes options under Primary Color and select the color options you want to change to. A new color will be applied automatically for you after making the selection. Now you can get back and you'll notice a different color theme available in some area of your Session app. So there you have it. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.